guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a great day because my hair is like, sorry. Anyways, today is a great day because I get to go shopping for the $5 Goodwill challenge that is being hosted by Old World Home. I will list her channel down below so that you guys can go check it out and watch the whole playlist of the Goodwill challenge. But anyway, I'm going shopping for that today. And also a couple months ago they actually closed our Chick-fil-A to remodel it because it was really old and it was like a drive-through Chick-fil-A. So like it had this really small parking lot. You couldn't go into, it wasn't a sit-down Chick-fil-A. You could only do the drive-through or like walk up to the window. So they completely closed it, tore it down. They have built this entirely new giant Chick-fil-A. So I'm excited about that because it's like the only Chick-fil-A on this side of town. So definitely getting some Chick-fil-A today, and we are going to go shopping for the Goodwill challenge, and I have to run by the post office and drop off some of my packages. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm about to go into one of our little local, it's like a little local thrift shop that I haven't really been in a while. Last time I was in there, they didn't really have much, but I know they do sales on their like home decor and stuff, so that's what I want to find for this $5 Goodwill challenge. So I'm gonna go in and check it out and see if I can find anything cute for summertime. So little local thrift store was kind of an epic fail. They used to have a lot more stuff in there and their prices used to be a lot better, and lately they've gotten a little greedy. So I'm gonna try Goodwill now and see what I can find in there. And it is like 1,000 degrees outside, so sorry, it's like I'm melting. So that was much more successful, and I'm super excited about all the stuff that I found, and I can't wait to show you guys when I get home and get it all set up for you. I'll do a haul when I get home, and then I'll show you how I'm going to use it in the $5 Goodwill Decor Challenge. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Brand new Chick-fil-A with a double drive-through, which the other one had a double drive-through, but it was like literally half the size of this parking lot. So the lines were always like out into the mall parking lot and causing major traffic in this little tiny section right here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw, I went shopping today for the $5 Goodwill challenge that is being hosted by Old World Home. Again, I will link her channel down below in the description box so that you guys can go and check out all of the $5 Goodwill challenge videos. And I'm gonna go straight into the haul of what I got today. I did spend $5, just a little bit under $5. I got some 99-cent stuff. But I'll start with this. I picked this up for a toothbrush holder. She uses a toothbrush holder. It's just like an open empty cup. This was with the mugs and things, so it costs 59 cents. All of their mugs are 59 cents at my Goodwill. It has like a Ross sticker on the bottom of it. I think it was $2.79. It's in pretty good condition. It looks pretty clean. And it's this really pretty blue and kind of like a blue-black color on the bottom. I don't know if that's showing up on camera or not. And then the cream color on top. But I was kind of going for like a beachy theme to match my, you can see my towels behind me. But my bathroom actually flooded a little while ago, a few days ago, and I was in the middle of redoing it and then it flooded. So now I'm really having to redo it, and I just wanted to get some really cute beachy summer stuff for summer. So I picked this up. I love the color scheme. Really earthy, beachy. I love like beach house decor. That's one of my favorite like nautical type things. So I picked this up for 59 cents. The next thing that I picked up was this cute little sign. It says, "This is my paradise." It's got a little palm tree on it. It's got the lettering. It does have 2 holes. It's missing the string, the hanger, but I think I can rig something up to use as a hanger. I thought this was really cute and beachy. Will look really cute on the wall. I paid, you can see that, 99 cents for it, which I thought was a really good deal for a cute little wood sign. It's not, I'm not sure if it's hand painted, but it's like distressed looking, painted, super cute. I thought this would be cute for the wall. Next thing I got was another sign. It says, "No shoes, no shirt, no worries." I say no worries a lot, so this was pretty funny that I found this. Also paid 99 cents for it. So that brings my running total to $1.98, like $2.50 so far. Just really distressed, like beachy. I love this kind of stuff. So I don't really shop for decor at Goodwill so much, but I love when I find this kind of stuff for super cheap, because these can get pretty pricey at the stores. But I love this rustic kind of distressed look. My dream is to like have a beach house one day and just fill it with this kind of stuff. Yeah, so 99 cents for that. And then this was my find of the day, which I'm super excited about. It's really, really pretty. It's like 2 oars. How cute is that? And it's got the little twine at the top. It still has the Hobby Lobby tag on it, so I'm not sure like if this was a gift for somebody or what. But it says it was $19.99 at Hobby Lobby. It's wood, kind of like particle board. It's got this like distressed blue paint on it. It does have the hangers on the back of it at the top. But I thought this would be so cute for the wall, and it's never been used apparently, which is crazy. But I also paid $1.99 for it, which I thought was awesome. Just a really good price for something like this. It's really, really cute and really pretty. This is my favorite kind of decor, is this rustic wood, old kind of painted stuff. I love it. So I spent just under $5. I think it was around like $4.50 or something like that for all of my decor things. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all. Like I said, I'm going for like a beachy kind of earthy decor, just something really summery and light and I love the blue color scheme. I'm gonna keep my flowers, my pink flowers, so I think that'll go okay with the blue. But I think these will look so cute on the wall and in the bathroom. I do plan on getting more stuff, but I want to show you guys everything as I like decorate it and put it on the wall, so I'll put this at the end. And I just want to say a quick thank you to Old World Home for hosting this challenge every season. I met so many great people. It's a great community that partakes in this challenge, and I think it's really awesome that she does this on her channel and hosts this for all the creators. So thank you, Old World Home, for doing this. But yeah, so I'm gonna go into the footage of my decor. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe. Bye!